Today I was supposed to be out on a ride, but the weather turned to shit, so got cancelled. So it's time for a project. I'm going to try and make this into some fork protectors for my bike. So I recently did a high fender conversion on my V-Strom 650, which has left my forks exposed. So that's the original fender, which had some fork protection on it. Rightio, there's one fork leg, slide him on, and just slip him over. That doesn't look too bad. I'll put it back on the bike, then I'll cable tie it in place. Rightio, and the other one, slip him on there. I'll cut that down low at the back, so if any crud does get in there, it can run out the back. So one of the good things about this high front guard, it makes it a lot easier to change your front wheel. See how it looks. So that was how I made my fork protectors out of some 2.5-inch PVC. Thanks a lot for watching.